Hi, my name is Berndette Condesso, and I'm the Director of College Counseling at Fordham Preparatory. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm happy to share with you some thoughts on the college program at the Prep. So at the core of our program, which is guided by three counselors, is a course in which we guide students through the application process, through the search and application process, with the fundamental goal of ensuring that at the end of the day, students are happy with the choices that they have ahead in terms of their post-secondary academic endeavors. Within that course, we guide students through the search process and then the application process. But that includes things like how to research colleges, how to engage in an interview, how to complete applications, how to write the essays. We also guide students in the multiple drafts of their application essays, their activities. And finally, how to submit those applications. Additionally, we are also able to help students to develop a standardized testing plan. We can advise them on what extracurriculars to engage in. We can also guide them in the course selection towards their juniors and senior years. As I said before, at the core of our desire as counselors is to ensure that students have wonderful choices and that they maximize their potential and their talents to ensure that they will continue to grow and thrive as young men. I hope you will join me in the Zoom room should you have any questions. My colleague, Ms. Kia, will also be here with me, and we look forward to meeting you all. Thank you so much. Be well.